Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your OBS settings. So the first thing you do is you open up your OBS software, go to File, click on Show Settings folder. Your settings folder will pop up here. Then all you need to do is click at the top on Roaming. This file here, OBS-Studio, should be highlighted. If not, you can search it up the top right here, or you can just click on one of the files and then hit the letter O and it should bring it up and highlight it. Right click on that, copy that. Then what you want to do is go to the folder. Give me a second, I'm going to have to navigate privately for a second. You go to the folder where you want to back it up. So for me it's in the software and then OBS. Then I've named it as backup. You paste it and it'll start to save all of your files. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. My file's there, I just did it. So it's as simple as that. When you want to restore it, all you need to do is copy again from your backup. So you just copy from your backup folder. Then you want to come back to OBS again, show settings folder, go back to roaming, and then I'm not going to do it, but you paste it here and you overwrite the file system that's already there. Or you can just delete that. And then if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.